Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me on this different video for Hickman Creations, a fantastic shop in Gunner, Texas. Here's their Facebook page. Check out their Facebook page. I think you will enjoy everything that's out there. And they do have a website, so you can get more information there. And if you need to contact them, here's their phone number and their email. So the reason we are here is to look at this 1964 and a half Ford convertible Mustang that's for sale. Was for sale for $43,000 or best offer. Has gone down to $37,500, and that's getting pretty close to the bottom of what the owner would want to sell this for. But nonetheless, if you call up Hickman Creations, 580-22-269-32, ask about this car. It is in pretty decent shape. The guy's pumped a lot of money into it, the owner that is, and it runs, operates, everything is in pretty darn good condition. It will need a little bit more TLC, but I would say if you're in the market for a good, very good condition old Mustang, please go check this car out and, enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And here's the Dynamic 88 that they're almost done with. And also this R8 V10 is for sale. So nonetheless, thank you for watching my Road Odyssey videos. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I appreciate that very much. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Bye.